In the dome, make the world's smallest electric drill. Prepare a number 5 battery. Before stepping off, make a hole at the back. Drill through the abdominal shell and take it down. Pull out the flap and continue making holes in a circle. Pierce through the center of the abs, pull out the copper needle, switch to a larger drill bit, and start attacking the center. Be careful. Don't imitate the method recklessly, or it might get ruined. Pull out the positive and negative electrode spacer. Oh no, it's all shattered. The large drill bit slowly rotates and pushes the internal graphite material, which then flows out along the guide channel. Clean the inner wall thoroughly. We found a micro switch, closed it at the bottom, drilled a small hole in the stone center, welded the wires of the micro switch, and inserted it directly into the battery. The button and the size of the opening fit perfectly. A small direct current motor. Check the gear teeth. The shaft's inner diameter has a bit of suction. Wrap it with something to increase the size by 2 millimeters. Okay, weld wires to the motor's back. Drill 3 holes in the battery's positive terminal cover. Expand the middle one a bit more. Then fit the motor into the battery casing. The size is just right. Screw through the small holes to secure the motor. Collect 4 3.7 volt 30 amp small luggage batteries and align them neatly behind the motor. Connect the positive and negative with thin wires. Pass through the output wire. Put on a transparent jacket and use a heat gun to fix it. Now, nothing can escape, and the size fits perfectly into the battery shell. Internally attach with glue for insulation. Type-C charging module.
Is it okay?
The depth is fine,
Yes, it is.
but it seems too wide and can't fit in. Use your smart mind to modify the charging port and blow off the excess. Next is the moment to showcase the special skill by taking all the components of the circuit apart and soldering them together according to the layout of the circuit board. Although it looks a bit unattractive, it has all the functions. This thing saves more space than an integrated circuit board, right? Once done, apply some magic paste to the charging interface. Attach 2 micro toggle switches side by side. Compare it. Connect it to the charging circuit. Can you tell that this thing is a piece of advanced integrated circuitry? Connect the charging wires one by one. Press them directly into the battery shell. Prepare some epoxy resin. Mix in black color. Draw it into a syringe to remove air, and slowly inject it into the end of the battery.
No, be careful, don't spill it.
Once the top panel is completely dry, use small tweezers to remove the grinding plaster from the charging port. Plug in the power supply to charge the lithium battery and the dry battery. The micro switch separately controls the forward and reverse rotation of the motor. A small electric drill chuck is installed on the motor's drive shaft in the X-ray view. Remember to tighten the set screw. When holding a cutter, make sure it is firmly secured. Not bad, not bad. The power is surging. Be careful. Don't cut your hand. It's steady and doesn't jam. Really a good tool. Try to see if it can drill.
There is absolutely no problem with the plastic circuit board.
Try it with wood. Hey, you're at ease too. So what do you think? Do you love this little gadget?